Hibiscus sabradiffa or Roselle is medicinal plant with a worldwide fame, having various medicinal important compounds called phytochemicals, is well known for its nutritional and medicinal properties. Seeds, leaves, fruits of the plant are used as food and herbal medicine. Extract from Roselle play a crucial role in treating different medical problems, including cardiovascular disorder, but further researches are required to know its exact mechanism of action and to formulate food products using Roselle with locally grown food items. Domestic application. The use of different parts of Roselle are many and varied, both in food and in traditional medicine. Fleshy red calyx are commonly used for the production of soft drinks and tonic like wine, juice, jam, jelly, syrup, and also dried and brewed into tea and spice. These are rich in keratin, riboflavin, ascorbic acid, niacin, calcium, iron, and vitamin C. The young leaves and tender stems are consumed raw as green vegetable. The seeds are good source of protein, fat, sugars, and are widely used in the diet. Herbal medicine application. Traditionally, it has been used for relief of sore throat and healing wounds. In folk medicine, leaves are used for their antimicrobial, emollient, antipyretic, diuretic, and as a soothing cough remedy. Hypolipidemic effect. Scientific study also confirmed that ethanolic extract from the leaves significantly exhibit hypolipidemic effect. Roselle extract was also studied among some with and without metabolic syndrome. Subjects with metabolic syndrome receiving ethanolic extract had significantly reduced glucose, total cholesterol, and low-density lipoprotein. Blood pressure lowering effect. The effectiveness of an aqueous extract of Roselle on mild to moderate hypertension was investigated in many researches. Aqueous extract of Roselle was as effective in treating mild to moderate hypertension, and there is no adverse effect with the treatment, confirming the effectiveness and safety of the extract. Daily consumption of an aqueous extract may result in decrease in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Anti-diabetic activity. Extract of polyphenolic components of Roselle and studied their effect in a type 2 diabetic. Study revealed insulin resistance properties and reduction in hyperglycemia and hyperinsulinemia. The extract also found effect in lowering serum cholesterol, triglycerol, intestinal alpha-glucosidase, and pancreatic alpha-amylase, help in digestion of complex carbohydrate present in the food into bioavailable monosaccharides, and play an important role in postperinatal hyperglycemia. Antimicrobial effect. Oil extract from seeds of Roselle has been shown to have inhibitory effect. Aqueous and ethanolic extract were also found to be effective against other microorganisms. Antioxidant effect. Protective property of a compound to inhibit the oxidative mechanism by scavenging reactive oxygen and free radical is known as antioxidative activity. It protects lining organelles from premature cell damage and reduce aging. A large number of studies have shown that Roselle calyx contain potent antioxidant. Studies have also highlighted that polyphenolic acid, flavonoids, and anthocyanins, which are found in Roselle, are potent antioxidant. Studies have shown that Roselle tea contains an enzyme inhibitor which blocks production of amylase, and it is possible that drinking a cup of Roselle tea after meals can reduce the absorption of dietary carbohydrates and assist in weight loss. It was also reported that Roselle is considered as a possible anti-obesity agent. While boiling, you can add Hibiscus sabdariffa fruits. Boil it for 2-3 minutes Now the appearance of its juice is very colorful. Just stir it 2-3 minutes will do. To enhance the taste, add 1 spoon of honey. Now the juice is going to be ready. Filter out the fleshy part of the fruits. Wow, it's reddish color, huh? It should be very juicy and tasty. And definitely it should be beneficial for our health.